Now let me show you the career progression engine which we have built on top of this, our career architecture framework, and on top of our career architecture ML engine. So this is a very basic demo of the application where you can upload the resume. So I have uploaded one resume here. And what you do see is the information being extracted from the title, project description, start date, end date, the company, predicted role which they belongs to. All these details we have extracted from and mapped them using our career architecture ML engine. So for example, what you do see the information title coming DevOps engineer, descriptions and the responsibilities being available like this, and the start date and end date and the company, which we have feed this information to our career architecture ML engine, and we have find out, okay, this candidate at this particular project belongs to this role under this function, software and applications. Similar kind of information you will see across all those details we have extracted. Then we are telling what can be the next career progression for this individual. So it is telling you this candidate can continue DevOps engineer, or the candidate can become automation and orchestration engineer, candidate can become associate network engineer, candidate can become network engineer, candidate can become quality assurance engineer, candidate can become software engineers, candidate can become data center operation engineer, candidate becomes a software architects, and probability associated with those moments of the progression happening. But if you look at the details, what we are recommending is very specific focused details. This candidate can move and take vertical progressions, and if he take that, then he can become software architect. If we candidate take horizontal movement, then candidate can become software engineer. If candidate wants to take the horizontal cross domain, then candidate can become a network engineer, or candidate can become associate network engineer. And if candidate wants to move across other functions, then he can become automation and orchestration engineer. We also see how much time candidate will take to move to those roles. So as you know, currently candidate is working on the DevOps engineer, so candidate will not require any much time to move to this role. But let's say if the candidate decide to wants to move to this role of automation orchestration engineer, it will take him 1 year, approximately 1 year 3 months to move to this particular role. If you want to see how much time it will take for a candidate to become associate network engineer, approximately 5 months. For him to become network engineer, 1 year. Quality assurance, 5 months. Software engineer, approximately 5 months. Data center operation engineer, 1 year. To become software architect, this candidate will take 2 years, approximately 2 years. Which shows the informations before even employees take action. It shows the transparency, and it enable them with the insights and the right information, that how long it will take them to move to that particular role, with set expectation from that perspective. So that's about career progressions.